Brightness key is not working in your laptops well, and you're stuck with the brightness diminished and low brightness. Even the screen backlight is completely off. Well, but is the still laptop is running well, and you see the laptop is everything is working, but the screen is currently off. Here's why how to solve the problem for this solution for this problem and find the solution without using your brightness keys. Okay, that's lights out. So lights out, and you need a lamp or torchlight to tilt in your laptop screen. Well, so hold the lamp and pinch near the screen in your laptop screen, laptop screen. So hold on. So your laptop screen is running. You see, look at this, your backlight is completely off, but the still laptop is running. I see in the Windows 11 desktop wallpaper, and below the status bar is still running. Everything is okay, but the still there is currently running here. I am tilting my lamp in your laptop screen. So the start menu also appearing here. Well, so the status bar is appearing here in the bottom of the edge in your screen. I find my taskbar and the start menu in my laptop screen. So here the tilt, wait a minute, the start menu appears. Okay, so hold on your lamp and put in the laptop screen nearly and find the status bar. So I see in my status bar in the bottom of the edge in the laptop screen. Okay, well, so more settings, the internet settings. So I'm using Windows 11. So the taskbar maybe varies between the every Windows versions. Okay, so I find my brightness adjuster control. So I need to tilt, increase my brightness. Use a mousing cursor. Okay, the brightness will be adjusted. The backlight of the laptop screen will be turned on. Okay, so this is a method for this is a basic method for every laptop users to adjust these controls without the brightness key. Okay, thank you, bye, see you tomorrow.